Hi, my name is Cyril Cabaron. So this is my reporting today and I will discuss about what is existentialism value. Unlike the naturalist, Aristotelian, and the Thomists, the existentialist has no elaborate faith either in reason as an exclusive guide or in systematic philosophy as a convenient roadmap to moral choice. The existentialists emphasize man's personal freedom. Man has no previously structured nature that enslaves him to a set range of fulfillments. He is decisive in his own life. He must make his life according to the freedom that is his. The authentic man must commit himself. He cannot give his power of choice away without in a way dehumanizing himself and becoming fraudulent or subhuman. The good life may be a lifetime of freedom and responsibility. The value of a person is his authenticity and commitment. The end in view for a man is to form himself by the character of his choices. And the second is, what is obligation? The existentialists are especially concerned with free character of the human activities and the responsibility of the individual for his own life and actions, as well as for the effect of his decisions on others. They emphasize that the very nature of man is freedom and self-obligation. Man is obligated to form and project himself into authentic existing by his moral action. Thus Kierkegaard point out the loneliness and anguish that accompany decision making, and Sartre declares that man is condemned to be free. Marcel insists on our obligation to resist the pressures against freedom that come to modern life through the leveling and dehumanizing qualities of contemporary technology. To mention his can be to mention that a human being is actually a morally good being. The evil in his has internal causes that he cannot overcome due to the weakness of will. Human moral obligations are known. The solution is that the essential obligations, which is also positive or negative, like to not unnecessarily harm others, to have respect and dignity for the inherent worth of each being, to not intentionally deceive others, etc., are inherent in attribute and customary to all or any kinsman.